this video, I'll be showing you how to create a hyper-realistic AI image of yourself or any other person using this AI tool called playgroundai.com. Okay, so with this tool, you can create a hyper-realistic AI image of yourself or anybody. All right, so let me show you how to do this. You can do it with your phone, you can do it with your computer, but for the benefit of those that don't have a computer, I'll be using my phone to do this. All right, so you need to follow the steps. Okay, you need to follow it step by step. All right, now this is an AI tool that helps you to generate images from text. Okay, all these images you are seeing here were generated from this AI tool. So for you to turn your own picture into a hyper-realistic AI image, you need to have your image and a prompt to do this. Okay, so once you open playground.ai, you sign in. Okay, you sign up. You can use your Gmail to sign up. I have already signed up. That is why you are seeing this. Okay, then you click on create. When you click on create, it's going to bring you here. Okay, remember, you must have signed in or you have signed up. You click on create. This AI tool is free. It allows you to generate up to 100 images or more per day for free. You don't pay anything and there is no watermark. Okay, it is free. All right, let's look at the pricing plan. You can see that you can create up to 1000 images per day. You can use it for commercial purposes. They have their pro plan too. If you can afford it, go ahead and afford it. If you cannot, you can make use of their free plan. Okay, you may not generate up to 1000 images per day. All right, and one good thing is that it does not have any watermark. Okay, so two things you'll be using to create a hyper-realistic AI image using this tool is, number one, your own picture or the person's picture, and number two, a prompt. Okay, now you're going to get a prompt and you will now turn that picture using that prompt into a hyper-realistic AI image. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that right away. So you must know how to give a prompt. You can either get prompt from another AI photo, okay, or you give your own prompt. So if you don't know how to structure your prompt very well, you may not get the desired result. But the best way to do this is, if you see a picture, an AI picture that you like, and you want to transform your own picture or your client's picture or someone else's picture into that AI picture, simply copy that prompt and use that prompt to generate your own. So for example, we'll be using this AI image. All right, we're going to take another picture and try to transform it to this AI image. Okay, the face itself. The point is that we are trying to get something similar to this image using our own picture or someone else's picture. Okay, not that it's going to be exactly like this, because the face needs to change. Okay, now it must not wear the same clothes. Okay, but what you are going to achieve is that you are going to get similar filter. Okay, similar AI pattern. All right, now all you need to do is to come down here and copy the prompt. Okay, copy the prompt of any image that you want to use. All right, then you must pay attention to these details. The guidance scale. Okay, the guidance scale is 8. The model is Stable Diffusion XL, and the filter type is Dream Shaper. Now some filter type you will see realistic, okay, but here you will see Dream Shaper. Also, it is important for you to understand that if you are using your computer, you are going to get a better view of this platform. Okay, but for those that don't have a computer, you can still work around it just like I'm showing you. All right, so when you have copied your prompt, you take note of these settings, these AI settings. Okay, you click on create. All right, and when you get to create, you will see your prompt. This is where you put your prompt. Okay, this is where you put any other prompt that you don't want. Okay, just like this. You see that remove from image. These prompts were removed from the image. Okay, so you can put it here. All right, at this place they say describe details that you don't want in your image. Okay, then you go to settings. All right, you understand that this image, the model is Stable Diffusion XL. Okay, so you change the model to Stable Diffusion XL. Okay, then the guidance scale is 8. You change it to 8 here. All right, the filter style is Dream Shaper. Okay, then you come to your prompt. All right, before you enter your prompt here, okay, you select filter type. Now this filter type, you're going to see different filter type. You look for Dream Shaper. We can't find Dream Shaper here. Okay, let's go back. Come back to your settings, click on Stable Diffusion 1.5, come back to prompt, then you can see Dream Shaper. Okay, you select Dream Shaper, then you can now enter your prompt. Okay, you can as well select any other filter here. Okay, like Realistic Vision. Okay, anyone you want. All right, so I'll copy this prompt. Okay, then here, instead of me typing this prompt, if I should paste this prompt now, it's going to give me the same result, but I don't want to paste this prompt. I'm going to use an image. It says edit an image, so I will edit an image and turn it into that AI image. Okay, I'll click on import image to edit. So at this point, it will open your gallery. Whether you are using your phone or your computer, you select the image. So I'm going to select this photo. Okay, I will select it and I will click done. So make sure the photo you are selecting has a good front view. All right, it has a good front view. Okay, then we go over to the next step. Here it says think of a simple instruction to change the image, like make the dog a cat or make it look like a painting. So you see, you can give it a prompt. So but since we have a prompt, for us to convert this photo into that AI image, you click on add mask. Okay, when you click on add mask, you are going to mask every part of this image except the face. Okay, so you tap on this mask and start masking. Okay, you can increase the size of the masking so you can be fast. Okay, so all these places that ox blood covered is masked, so we're going to leave only the head. So let me reduce the masking size. Okay, in case you make mistake, you tap on this erase button and it will erase. Okay, then you tap on the mask and mask again. Okay, so you make sure you mask every other part except the face. If you're using your phone, you just need to master how to use your hand to brush it. But if you are using a computer, it will be much easier. But I'm doing this for the benefit of those that don't have a computer. So now we have masked this image. Okay, you scroll up and you now enter your prompt. Remember, I copied that prompt and I'll paste it. Okay, once I've pasted, you see that this generate button will become clickable. Now click on generate. So it's going to generate now. Can you see? This is beautiful, wonderful. This is excellent. You have created an AI image of somebody. Now you can click on generate again. You can save changes if you want. Okay, you can save it and you can generate again. All right, let's generate another one. We'll still paste the same prompt. Okay, I'll click custom. Okay, and I'll click generate. Can you see? We have this. All right, so let's make it remove common features. Okay, and generate another one. Click on generate. Can you see? You can click generate again and it will generate another one. Okay, let's do a quick one, just one more. Okay, look at this picture now. I'm going to turn this picture into a doctor. Okay, I'm going to turn this picture into a doctor quickly. So I have already imported this image. Okay, and I'm going to mask it. All right, and I will give a prompt for it to be turned into a doctor. Okay, now you can see that I've masked it. All right, leaving the head only. I showed you how to do that. Okay, now another way to go about this is that if you don't want to stress yourself masking the picture, you can crop the picture. Okay, just crop the picture and get the head only. Okay, and upload it, then give the prompt. All right, So this is the picture I have masked. Okay, so this is the prompt I gave it: portrait of a realistic photo of a 40 years old male American medical doctor standing in his office. So this is the prompt, and I will click generate. Now see what we have. Can you see? Beautiful. See what we have. The same face wearing a doctor's clothes. Beautiful. Wow. So in the original picture, he was wearing suit. Okay. But here, he's now wearing a doctor's clothes. Can you see? So at this point, you can save changes. Okay. You can click on save changes. Okay. When you tap on this image, you will see the prompt and you can edit further if you want. So I'll click save changes. Alright, so when you click on save changes, you tap on this image, you will see this download icon here. You can download your image. Okay, you see more actions in case you want to do more editing on this image. Okay, so you can download, tap on it and download into your phone, okay, or your computer. Can you see? I'll click download. My photo has downloaded. Can you see it? It's now in my phone. So if you want to see all the images you generated using this AI website, you just click on this arrow pointing downwards. Okay, you click on profile. All right, can you see all the images you generated with this AI website will be available in your profile? Okay, and you can tap on anyone to download again in case you did not download it previously, as long as you saved it after you generated it. Okay, you click on download and it will download into your phone or your computer. So this is how you can turn your photo or someone else's photo into a hyper realistic AI image or any other form of AI image of your choice. Okay, so I hope you got value from this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, comment on it. Some people are selling this, but you are getting it all for free. So do well to subscribe, like this video and drop a good comment on this video. You can join our community. You can check the description box and click on the link to join our community so that you will be updated with latest videos when we drop it. Thank you once again, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and join our group.